Hello champs, how are you all? In last session, Sneha teacher taught you the 4-line patterns, that was standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line and right slanting line. So, have you done your homework? Yes, very good. So, in this session, I am going to teach you how to write remaining line patterns. Okay? So, first line pattern is half circle. So, this one is left half circle and this one is right half circle. So, champs, we will do first skywriting. So, all of you show me your point finger. Very nice. Put your finger like this and draw the left half circle. Draw the curve to the left side. This is a left half circle. Again, say loudly, left half circle. Very nice. Now we will see how to draw the right half circle. Put your finger like this. Draw the curve to the right side. This is the right half circle. Okay? This is the right half circle. Now we will do the bench writing. Okay? Put your finger like this and draw the curve to the right side. This is a right half circle. Draw the curve to the right side. This is a right half circle. Now we will draw left half circle. Draw a curve to the left side. This is a left half circle. This is a left half circle to the left side curve. Okay? So champs, let's see how to write a half circle in our 4-line pattern. Okay? And on this board, there are 4 lines. This is red line, first blue line, second blue line, and this one is last red line. So you have to put your pencil on red line, draw a curve to the left side. This is a left half circle. Again, put your pencil on red line, draw left curve. This is a left half circle. Again, put your pencil on red line, draw left curve and touch on this second blue line. Don't go below this line. Okay? From red line to second blue line, left curve. This is a left half circle. So children, tell me, is it right? No, because this is below the line. So this is a wrong. So I will erase it and write it again. Okay? From red line to touch on second blue line. Don't go below this line. From red line to second blue line, left curve. Draw a curve to the left side. This is a left half circle. Draw a curve to the left side. This is a left half circle. Again, red line to blue line. Very nice. Red line to blue line, left curve. So this is a left half circle. Now let's see how to write a right half circle. Put your pencil on red line, draw a right curve to the right side and touch on this second blue line. Again, put your pencil on red line, draw a right curve, touch on second blue line. This is the right half circle. From first red line to second blue line, right curve. This is the right half circle. Don't go below the blue line. Okay? Second blue line. Again, from red line to second blue line, draw right curve. This is a right half circle. Again, this is a right half circle. Say all of you loudly. This is a right half circle. Very nice. Right half circle. Start from first red line to second blue line. Okay? Don't go below this line and don't write like this. This is also wrong. Okay? We have to touch on this red line and draw like this. This is a right half circle. So champs, all of you understand how to write left and right half circle? So champs, let's go toward the next line pattern. This one is up and down line pattern. So we will first do the sky writing. So all of you show me a point finger and do like me. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? One time again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we will see the bench writing. How to write the bench writing. Look at me. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? One time again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. This is a up and down line. Now children, let's see how to write this up and down line pattern in our 4-line sequence. Okay? So put your pencil on blue line. Go up. Touch on red line. Again go down. Touch on second blue line. Go up on red line. Go down to second blue line. Again go up and down. Again, let's see here. Right slanting line, left slanting line. Right slanting line, left slanting line. Right slanting line and left slanting line. This is up and down. Again, say everybody, up, down, up, down, up, down. Touch on second blue line. Don't go below this blue line. Now let's see children. Is it right? Is it right? No. Because I go above this line and below this line. This is wrong. So we have to erase it and write it. And write it again. Put your pencil on blue line. Touch on this red line. Again go down. Touch on this second blue line. Again go up. Touch on red line. Go down. Touch on second blue line. Go up and go down and touch on second blue line. Don't go below this line. Okay, chaps? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Chaps, don't write so big like this. You have to write small triangles. We have to erase it and write it again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. This is up and down line. Say all of you loudly. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is a right slanting line. Again this is a left slanting line. Again right slanting line. Left slanting line. Again right slanting line and left slanting line. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up and down. Okay, champs, all of you understand how to write this up and down line? So champs, let's see how to write the next line pattern. This one is Humpty line and this one is Bumpty line. So we will do first skywriting. So all of you show me your point finger. So again, draw a hump like this. 1, 2 and 3 humps we have to draw like this. Again, standing line, go hump, draw the hump, go down. Again, draw the hump like this. This is a Humpty line. Now, Bumpty line. Show me your point finger. Go down. Draw a bump like this. This is a Bumpty line. Again, all of you do skywriting like me, okay? Draw the bump like this. This is a Bumpty line. Okay? Now we will do the page writing. So this one is Humpty line. You have to draw the 3 humps. 1, 2 and 3. This is a Humpty line. Now we will write the Bumpty line. 1, 2 and 3. This is a Bumpty line. Again, Bumpty line. This is a Bumpty line. Now children, we will write this Humpty line and Bumpty line on this blackboard in 4 lines. Okay? So first we will write a Humpty line. Put your pencil on blue line. Go up straight. Draw hump like this. Again go down straight. Now go on same line. Draw hump like this. Again go down. Draw straight line. Again go on same line and draw hump like this and touch on this second blue line. This is the Humpty line. Again, 1 hump, go on same line, 2 hump and 3 humps. This is a Humpty line. Again. Now champs, tell me, is it right? No. You know children why it is right? It is wrong? Because I leave here a gap between these 2 humps. So don't leave a gap. You have to write like this. So we have to erase it and write it again. 1 hump, 2 hump and 3 humps. Again, put your pencil on blue line, second blue line. Go up, touch on first red line. Draw hump. Again, go down straight and touch on second blue line. Go on same line. Draw hump. Touch on red line. Again, go down. Touch on second blue line. Again, go on same line. Draw hump, touch on red line and go down and touch on this second blue line. This is a Humpty line. So champs, say loudly, Humpty line. What is the line? This is a Humpty line. Okay? So don't go below this blue line, second blue line. Touch on this red line. This is a Humpty line. Okay? Now we will write the Bumpty line. So for this line, we have to put our pencil on first red line. Draw straight standing line. Draw a bump. Again touch on first blue red line. Again go down on same line, draw a bump, again go up, touch on red line, go on same line, draw a bump and touch on the first red line. This is a Bumpty line. 1 bump, 2 bump, and 3 bumps. Again, red line to blue line, draw bump. From red line to again blue line, draw a hump and again touch on first red line. Again go down on same line, touch on second blue line, draw a bump and touch on the first red line. This is called bumpety line. Which is this line? Bumpety line. So don't go below the line. Blue line. Second blue line च्या खाली जायचं नाहीये. Okay? From red line to second blue line, draw bump. Again red line to second blue line, draw bump, go up. Again red line to second blue line and draw a bump like this. This is called bumpety line. Which is this line? This is a bumpety line. And this one is humpety line. So parents, look at this page. I have written CW over here and write a headline on first line, line pattern revision. And I have written here these line patterns. I have written here half circle and leave here 4 lines. After that up and down pattern is there and leave remaining lines. You also do like this. You have to write like this with a pen only, parents only. And when your child start their writing, at that time they will use only pencil. So tell your child they should write only with pencil. Okay? So champs, all of you look at this notebook carefully. Let's see how to write. From red line to second blue line, this is a left half circle. Put your pencil on red line, draw left curve and touch on second blue line. This is a left half circle. Again put your pencil on red line, draw half circle. To the left side, this is a left half circle. Again put your pencil on red line, draw left half circle, touch on second blue line. Okay? So all of you write like this. This is a left half circle. All of you understand? Champs? Okay. So write with pencil only. Don't use pen or sketch pen. Okay? Now we will write a right half circle. So all of you look at notebook. Put your pencil on red line. Draw right curve. This is a right half circle. And while writing you have to say like this. Right half circle. Right half circle. Okay? Again put your pencil on red line. Draw right curve. Touch on second blue line. This is a right half circle. Right half circle. This is a right half circle. Okay? Now we will write up and down pattern. Okay? So for this pattern you have to put your pencil on second blue line. Draw right slanting line. Go up. Again go down, draw left slanting line. Again go up, touch on red line. Again go down, touch on second blue line. Again go up and down, touch on second blue line. This is up and down. So say like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Don't go below this line. Again. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Draw little bit slanting line. Little bit slant हे फक्त काढायची अशी लाईन. ओके, व्हेरी नाईस. अगेन अप, डाऊन, अप, डाऊन, अप, डाऊन. या रेड लाईनच्या सुद्धा वरती काढायचे नाही. अगेन गो डाऊन. या लाईनच्या खाली जायचं नाही. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. Now let's see how to write a Humpty line. Put your pencil on second blue line. Go up. Now chance, let's see how to write a Humpty line. So put your pencil on blue line. Go up and draw a hump like this. Go down straight. Again go up on same line. Draw hump like this. Again go down. Go up and draw hump like this and touch on second blue line. This is a Humpty line. One hump, two humps and three humps. This is a Humpty line. Go on same line. Okay, again go up, draw hump, go down straight, go on same line, go up, touch on red line, go down, touch on second blue line, go up, touch on red line and go down on second blue line. So all of you write like this at home. This is a Humpty line. Say all of you loudly, this is a Humpty line. Okay, this is a Humpty line. Draw standing line straight. Very nice. Every time you have to say like this, Humpty line. Okay, Humpty line. This is a Humpty line. Now we will see how to write Bumpty line. For Bumpty line, you have to put your pencil on red line, go down, draw bump like this, again go up straight, go on same line, draw bump like this, go again straight, again go down, draw bump like this and touch on red line. Again one bump, two bumps and three bumps. Bumpty line. Say loudly all of you. Bumpty line. This is a Bumpty line. Very nice. Again here write Bumpty line. From red line to second blue line, draw bump like this, Bumpty line. Draw standing line straight. From red line to second blue line, draw bump like this. Okay. So chance, all of you understand how to write these line patterns? So parents, as a CW2 pages like this, you have to give a homework to your child, but only you have to write HW instead of CW and write 2 pages for homework and take your child study at home. So children, all of you understand these line patterns? Okay, so you have to do the practice at home and tell your mama to sit near with you while you are writing, and don't do scribbling with pen, pencil, sketch pen. Nothing is there. Don't do scribbling, and keep your notebooks neat and clean. So bye bye.